So question number 2 is find which of the following equations are quadratic equations. So first of all, when you have to figure out that which of the equations are quadratic equation, you should know the equations should match with the standard form. So standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So any equation from the given three equation, if it matches with this one, that means, so matches with this one, what does it mean? It means like you are able to find the value of A, B and C. Yes, and the second thing is that the highest degree of the variable, directly also you can see the highest degree of the variable is 2. So that means that particular equation is a quadratic equation also. So that way also you can do. So the first one I'll write here. The first part is 5x square minus 8x is equals to negative 3 into 7 minus 2x. Now this is not in the simplified form, because if you just have to see the standard form says that in right hand side should be equals to 0. But here we have some expressions in the right hand side. So first of all, let's simplify it. So this side is already in simplified form. So this we have to simplify. So I just multiply this. So what will become 5x square minus 8x is equals to, so minus 3 into 7 is minus 21, minus 3 into minus 2x, this will become plus, because minus into minus is plus 6x. Now these things, because here everything is equals to 0, so these two we will shift to other side. So 5x square minus 8x, this one is negative 21. When I'm shifting negative 21 to this side, it will become positive 21. And this positive 6x, when I shift to this side, it will become negative 6x. Now other side nothing is there. So that means we will write it equals to 0. Now here you can see if any like terms are there. 5x square, no other like term. Here minus 8x and minus 6x, because both of the terms have x. So that means these are the like terms. So minus minus is plus. Minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14. So minus 14x plus 21 is also a single term, no like terms, is equals to 0. Now if you compare this thing with the standard form, first of all, normally you can say this is comparable with the standard form, looks like similar. So that means also highest degree of the variable is 2 and value of A is equals to 5. A is the coefficient of x square, so that is 5. Value of B is negative 14 and value of C is 21. So which means this equation is a quadratic equation. So in short, QE I have written. So first one is an example of quadratic equation. Now we'll do the second one. So second one you can see it's not in the simplified form. All the terms are in factor form. So first one I have x minus 14 into 3x plus 1, which is equals to 3x minus 1 into x plus 2. So that means we have to simplify it first, and then we will come to know whether this is an example of quadratic equation or not. So two brackets are there, we will multiply the brackets. So by two brackets, first of all we'll write first term of first bracket, then we'll write full second bracket 3x plus 1, then second term which is minus 4 into 3x plus 1. Same way we will do here also. First term of first bracket, then full second bracket x plus 2, then second term minus 1 into x plus 2. I'll just rewrite this thing. So x into 3x plus 1 minus 4 into 3x plus 1, which is equals to, so x into 3x plus 1 minus 4 into 3x plus 1, 3x into x plus 2, and then we have minus 1 into x plus 2 minus 1 into, so this I'm just nothing I have done, I have just done the bracket multiplication. So now I'll just multiply like this. So x into 3x, this is 3x square, x into 1 is 1x, or simply x we can write, minus 4 into 3x, 4 into 3 is 12, so negative 12, again minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. So this side also will multiply. 3x into x is 3x square, 3x into 2 is 6x, minus 1 into x is x, minus x or 1x also you can write, because nothing is there, that means 1 is there. Then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Now if any like terms are there, first of all we can solve. So 3x square, here like terms I have here 1x and minus 12x. If we simplify, it will become negative 11x, because plus minus is minus with the sign which is with the greater number. Negative 4 as it is I'll write. Same way here also I'll simplify 3x square. So these two are like terms. So 6 minus 1 is 5 plus 5x minus 2. Now because we want to compare with the standard form, so this side should be 0. Everything let's shift to other side. So 3x square minus 11x minus 4. If this 3x I shift to other side, it will become negative 3x square. If plus 5x will shift to other side, it will become minus 5x. If minus 2 I'll shift to other side, it will become plus 2, which is equals to 0. So 3x square and 3x square, these are like terms, but 3x square minus 3x square we will get 0. Remaining is this one, minus 11x minus, so this will become negative 16x minus 4 plus 2 will become negative 2 is equals to 0. So basically the equation is minus 16x minus 2 is equals to 0. If we compare it with the standard form, so first of all we can see x square term is not there. Highest degree of the variable is 1. So which means it is not a quadratic equation, because here the value of a, it became equals to 0. And b and c we got, but if a is equals to 0, I have already told you, then the particular equation will not be a quadratic equation. Now third part we have to do. So third part is this. See, in third part I will directly tell you, third part, if you see, this is the given expression, and if you simplify this also, see, given expression we have this term 7x cube. 7x cube is there, then minus 2x, but here we have whole square. See, if you simplify this also, the equation will only reduce to square. So that means in this third equation, the highest degree of the variable is 3. So here highest degree is 3. If highest degree is equals to 3, that means the given equation is not a quadratic equation, because in quadratic equation the highest degree should be equals to 2, not equals to 3. So from these three equations, only first one is the quadratic equation. Now let's do the next question, question number 3. In question number 3, we just have to check. We just have to check in both the parts. The first part says, is x is equals to 5 is a solution of the equation. See, one equation is given to us, x square minus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. And we have to check whether x is equals to 5 is the solution or root of the equation. See, I've told we can check it. How to check it? If we take left hand side of the equation. See, left hand side of the equation is x square minus 2x minus 15. And when I substitute the value of x equals to 5 in this one, and this answer I get equals to my right hand side, that means 0. That means then in that case x is the solution. If you are not getting your answer equals to 0, that means it's not a solution. So let's do and see. X square. So what, see, you have to be very careful here. You don't have to take this part. Only left hand side here. When we are checking, we will take only left hand side of the equation. So left hand side of the equation I have taken x square minus 2x minus 15. X value is equals to 5. So 5 square minus 2 into 5 minus 15. So wherever x is there, on that place I have written 5. 5 square 25 minus 5 into 2 10 minus 15. So 25 minus 10, 25 minus 10 is 15 and 15 minus 15 is equals to 0. And 0 is equals to what? Our right hand side also. So that means when we substituted value of x equals to 5. In that case, for this equation, we got the answer equals to 0. That means 5 is the solution of this quadratic equation. So 5 is the solution. So first part we have completed. Now let's do second part. See, in second part also same thing we have to do. We have to check if x is equals to minus 3 is the solution of this equation. So the given equation is given to us 2x square minus 7x plus 9 is equals to 0, but I am taking only left hand side because left hand side I have to simplify, and if its answer is equals to 0, that means that particular value of x is the solution. So let's do. The value of x for this one is negative 3. So on place of x I am writing negative 3. So 2 into negative 3 is square minus 7 into negative 3 plus 9. So 2 into the square of minus 3 is 9. Positive. Square of a negative number is always positive. So 3 into 3 is 9. So positive 9 will get. Minus 3 into minus 7 is plus 21. See, minus minus will become plus. Plus 9. So this is 18 plus 21 plus 9. So if you are adding them, so 21 plus 9 is 30. 30 plus 18. So you will get its answer equals to 48, which is not equals to 0. That means which is not equals to our right hand side. That means x is equals to minus 3 is not a solution, of the given equation. That means 2x square minus 7x plus 9 is equals to 0. So easy way to remember is this: if you are taking left hand side and you are substituting value of x as the given value, whatever is given, if your answer is equals to 0, then it is a solution. If answer is not equals to 0, then that particular value of x is not a solution. Like both the parts I have solved and you can see here. Let's do the next question, question number 4. See, this type of question we have done in MCQs also, where we found the value of k. So 2 MCQs we have done. Here it's given to us this number. What is the number? Root 2 by 3. So root 2 by 3 is a solution. If anything is a solution, that means that number we will take equals to x. So if this is equals to solution, that means we'll take this number as our x or whatever variable given to us in the equation. So if root 2 by 3 is a solution of the equation, so equation is given to us 3x square plus mx plus 2 equals to 0. Then what we have to do? We have to find the value of m. So first of all, always it's very important that we should know what is given to us and what we have to find. So in this one, the value of x is given to us. Solution means the value of x, or root also means the value of x. So value of x is given to us and we have to find the value of the unknown variable. See, when I am finding this one, what I will do, the given value of x we will just substitute. So x value is root 2 by 3 whole square plus m as it is I'll write, and again the value of x. Value of x is root 2 by 3 plus 2, and we will write equals to 0. See, we did MCQs also, same thing we did there also, because if it is a solution, if this value of x is a solution, that means the answer will get equals to 0. See, in previous question also we did same thing. When x is equals to 5 is the solution, what was the answer? 0. When it is not a solution, then it's not 0. So always remember, when that particular value of particular value of x is a solution, if we substitute that value of x, the answer will always be equals to 0. That's what we have written. Now we'll just simplify it. So 3 into square of this thing. See, root 2 by 3 square means root 2 by 3 into root 2 by 3. We can multiply it in here. So this will become m into root 2 by 3. If you want, you can also write as root 2 by root 3. It will not make any difference. Root 2 by, it is root 2 by root 3. So I am just writing it, plus 2 equals to 0. Now root 2 into root 2 is 2. See, any numbers root with the same number, if you multiply, answer will be number itself. So root 2 into root 2 is 2 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. And here this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So here we are left with m root 2 by root 3 plus 2. So here also we are left with only 2. So I'm just solving here because 3 and 3 got cancelled. So here we are left with only 2. 2 plus m into root 2 by root 3 plus 2. Here I forgot to write equals to 0. Plus 2 equals to 0. Like terms we can add. So like is this. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we got 4 plus m into root 2 by root 3 equals to 0. So what I have got? 4 plus m into root 2 by root 3 equals to 0. Now see, anytime whenever you are solving linear equations, so variable thing you keep it on one side, another thing you can shift. So all the other things you actually have to shift to other side. So now 4, first of all we will shift. So when 4 I am shifting, this is positive 4. So positive 4, when I am shifting to other side, this will become negative. So m into root 2 by root 3 is equals to, see, it will become 0 minus 4. I am only writing it as negative 4. Now with m, this is getting multiplied and this is getting divided. So first of all, let's shift root 3. So I'll get m into root 2. I can write as m root 2 is equals to 4 into root 3. Now this root 2 also will shift 2 is getting multiplied. So if this is getting multiplied, when I am shifting to other side, it will get divided. So root 3 by root 2. Now how to simplify? To its simplest form we can simplify. See, 4 is what? So m is equals to negative 4. 4 I can factorize it directly. If you know, you can just see, anytime you have rational number down. Anytime when you have rational number down, what you can do, you can just rationalize. What is the meaning of rationalizing? That means with the same number. So if a single number is there, so with the root 2, you will multiply numerator also and with denominator. So basically what we will get here, negative 4 into root 3 into root 6. So what? Root 2. This is root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So what we did, see, always remember this thing. This thing we have done in class 9th also, when rationalization you have learned. See, root 2 is an irrational number. So when any irrational number is there in the denominator, so what we will do, with the same number, we will multiply numerator and denominator. So root 2 was there, so I multiplied numerator and denominator with root 2. So here I got negative 4 into root 3 into root 2. That's what I have written, and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So I have already told you, when same root you are multiplying with this, when root you are multiplying with the same number, so the answer will be in its whole number form. So let's simplify. Here we can do cancellation. 2 into 1, 2 into 2. So m is equals to, this will become negative 2 Roots we can multiply. So root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So m's value we got minus 2 root 6. So this was the value of m. Let's do next question now. See, next question is similar question. This is the fifth question. So this is very much similar to the previous question where we found the unknown variable. The only difference is there. You can see here two solutions. How many solutions of quadratic equation? We have two. So both the solutions are given to us. But the only difference is that in the given equation, see, given equation is mx square plus nx plus 6 is equals to 0. See, I have been given value of x as 2 by 3 and value of x as 1. But here in the equation also two unknown variables are there. So m and n. So we have to find m and n. So same one by one we will do. So first of all, one solution of one solution of the equation is 2 by 3, that we will substitute. So let's substitute m into x value I am taking of 2 by 3. So in place of x I am writing 2 by 3 whole square plus again n into on place of x I am writing 2 by 3 plus 6 is equals to 0. So if I do it square, so 2 square, this will become 4 by 9. M as it is will become, m as it is will come. So 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9. So its square is 4 by 9 into m. This will become 2 by 3 n plus 6 is equals to 0. Further we can simplify because it has fractions, so we can take LCM. So LCM of this is 9. So that means here we'll multiply this with 3 and here we'll multiply this by 9. So LCM, I hope everyone knows, I'm not explaining it. So 4 by 9 m plus 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9. So basically we are making the denominator same. So when denominator we are making same, so the same number we have to multiply numerator also. So 6 into 9 is 54, 54 by 9 is equals to 0. So 9 is the same denominator, common denominator, that I will just shift to other side. See, I got 4m plus 6n plus 54 is equals to 0. So when 9, I'll do one extra step. By 9 I'll write and 0. This 9 when I shift to other side, 4m plus 6n plus 54 is equals to 0 into 9. As 9 is getting divided here, so when we shift it to other side, it will get multiplied. So equation will reduce to 4m plus 6n, 4m plus 6n plus 54. 0 into 9 will become 0. If you multiply anything with 0, it is 0 only. Now here you can see if any common factor is there. Common factor in the sense, because we want the equation in its simplest form so that calculations will be little short. So here common factor 2 is there because 2 is a multiple of 2 is a divisor of 4 also, 6 also and 54. So I'll divide entire equation with 2. So if I'm dividing entire equation with 2, what I'll get? 4 divided by 2, 2, 2m plus 3n plus 27 equals to 0. So this is first equation I have got. Now when I am taking x value as 1, again we will get another equation. So original equation was mx plus nx plus 6 is equals to 0. Mx square plus nx plus 6 is equals to 0. So I am substituting value of x is equals to 1. So m into 1 square plus n into 1 plus 6 is equals to 0. So m into 1 square is 1, m into 1 is m, n into 1 is n, plus 6 is equals to 0. See, this is the second equation I've got. So this one is equation number 1, you can mark, and this is equation number 2. See, this type of question, when we have two unknown variables, we'll solve by system of simultaneous equations. That means any method you can use. I will solve this with the substitution method. So from first equation, I'll take the value of m. So m's value means these two I'll shift to other side. When I'm shifting n to other side, this is positive n, it will become negative n, plus 6. When I'm shifting to other side, it will become negative 6. So m's value I got minus n minus 6. So here we will m's value we will substitute in equation 1. That thing you can write, substitute the value of m in the first equation. So I'm doing it directly. So 2 into m's value is minus n minus 6 plus 3n plus 27 equals to 0. See, so m's place I have written this value. I have just done substitution here. Then I'll just simplify it. So it will become negative 2n negative 12 plus 3n plus 27. Now the equation has only one unknown variable. We can simplify this one. So like terms we can solve minus 2n plus 3n. So plus minus is minus, 3 minus 2 is 1. So only n I can write, or you can write plus n, 1n also. Same thing. So minus 12 plus 27. So that we can simplify 27 minus 12. So 7 minus 2, 5. So this is 15, positive 15. Positive 15 I got. So I got n plus 15 is equals to 0, which means n's value I got negative 15. If n is equals to negative 15, now this value again, we will substitute here. So m's value I got, m is equals to minus n minus 6. But value of n we got equals to negative 15. So now this value of n we will substitute here and we'll find the value of m. So minus, this minus is already there. I write the value of n also, which is minus 15 minus 6. So m is equal, so this minus minus will become plus. So positive 15 minus 6. So m is equals to 15 minus 6 is 9. So m is equals to 9. So n is equals to minus 15 and m is equals to 9. See, with this question we have exercise 5a, and I'll continue with the next exercise from the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video and if you have understood the concept, you can share it with your friend. Thank you again for watching the video.